Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about constructor and types of constructor. The topic name is constructor. The next slide is about constructor. What is constructor? A constructor is a special member, method or function that is used to initialize instance variables and perform other important tasks. The constructor has exactly the same name as the class name, as it is defined class. It is invoked at the time of object creation. Example: calculate obj1 equals to new calculate. Here calculate is the name of the class and obj1 is the name of the object, and new keyword is used to create the object of the class. The next slide is about example of constructor. Public class calculate. Start curly braces, declaring class. Int roll number, string name, semicolon, declaring member variables. Public calculate. Start curly braces, defining constructor. Roll number equals to 32, name equals to Shyam. Close the curly braces. End of constructor. Statement 1 and statement 2. End of class. The next slide is about characteristics of constructor. Characteristics of constructor are as follows. Number 1. Constructor always have the same name as the class name. Number 2. It does not have a return type, not even void also. Number 3. The constructor can be invoked or called only via the new operator. The users cannot invoke or call them like a normal method. The next slide contains the difference between method and constructor. What are the difference between method and constructor? Method. Number 1. Method can be any user defined name, but constructor must be class name. Number 2. Method should have return type, but constructor should not have any return type, not even void also. Number 3. Method should be called explicitly, either with object reference or class reference. Number 3. Constructor will be called automatically whenever object is called. Number 4. Method is not provided by compiler in any case, but the Java compiler provides a default constructor if we don't have any constructor. Number 5. Method is used to show the behavior of an object, but constructor is used to initialize state of an object. The next slide is about types of constructor. There are two types of constructor in Java. Number 1. Default constructor. Number 2. Parameterized constructor. The next slide is about default constructor. What is default constructor? A constructor does not take any parameters, is called default constructor. The default constructor has no parameters. It is also known as non-parameterized constructor. The next slide is about example of default constructor. Public class compute. Start curly braces, declaring class. String name, semicolon, int roll number, declaring member variables. Public compute, parenthesis open, parenthesis close. Constructor defined in the class with same name as the class name. It initializes the member variables. Start curly braces defining default constructor. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes inside default constructor. Close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon. Name equals to Tania. Close the double quotes semicolon. Roll number equals to 20. Member variables are initialized. Close curly braces. End of default constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Void show. Parenthesis open, parenthesis close. Defining impure function. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes name colon close the double quotes plus name close parenthesis semicolon. System.out.println start parenthesis double quotes roll number colon close the double quotes plus roll number parenthesis closed semicolon. End of curly braces. End of function. Public static void main. Start parenthesis string arg. Arg stands for argument. Close the parenthesis. Start curly braces defining main. Compute obj equals to new compute parenthesis open parenthesis close. Creating an object with default constructor obj.show parenthesis open parenthesis close semicolon. Invoking function. Invoking means calling of a function. End of two curly braces. End of main and end of class. Here obj is the object of compute class. It is created by using default constructor. The output is inside default constructor name colon Tania roll number colon 20. The next slide is about parameterized constructor. What is parameterized constructor? A constructor that always receives parameters is called parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor allows the user to initialize objects of that particular class. This achieved by passing the required values as argument to the constructor. The next slide is about example of parameterized constructor. Public class compute1 start curly braces declaring class string name semicolon int roll number declaring member variables. Public compute1 start parenthesis string nn1 comma int roll close parenthesis start curly braces defining parameterized constructor. Constructor defined in the class with same name as the class name. It initializes the member variables with the arguments. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes inside parameterized constructor close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon. Name equals to nn1 roll number equals to roll close the curly braces. End of parameterized constructor. nn1 comma roll are the formal parameter of the constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Void show start curly braces defining impure function. Impure function which function that does not return any value. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes name colon close the double quotes, plus name, parenthesis, closed semicolon, system.out println, start parenthesis, start double quotes, roll number, colon, close the double quotes, plus roll number, close parenthesis, semicolon, close curly braces, end of function, public static void main string args, start curly braces, defining main function, compute obj1 equals to new compute 1, start parenthesis, within double quotes Rahul, close the double quotes, comma 22, close parenthesis, semicolon, creating an object with parameterized constructor obj1 dot show, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, invoking function, end of two curly braces, end of main and end of class. Here obj1 is the object of compute1 class that is created by using parameterized constructor. This parameterized constructor receives the value Rahul, 22 as actual parameter of the constructor. So the output is inside parameterized constructor name colon Rahul, roll number colon 22. Student, in this session I have discussed about constructor and types of constructor. Hope all of you have understand this chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.